Hey, here at Sturt's Wellness, we help people maximize their time, health, and finances by living intentionally in the moments of life. And I am recording this at the end of March 2020 amid the coronavirus outbreak. And I wanted to create something, and I've thought about this for about a year, because one of the things that people love to do is they love to come to my house and do a smoothie workshop. So what we do is I set out all the ingredients and usually do 7 smoothies, and we bag the powder, and then they put in all the ingredients, seal them shut, stick them into the freezer, and then all they have to do is add those contents to a blender, add some milk, and blend. So on those busy mornings, it makes it really easy to have a healthy, nutritious breakfast. And as the past couple of weeks, we've been just kind of hunkered down here in Iowa, I have not been eating very healthy, and I'm wanting to just eat because there's not a lot to do, or because eating is something that I can control. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to reset and to do an online smoothie workshop. So let me tell you a little bit about how this works. So you're gonna fill out the form below with your name and email, and then you'll get an email back that tells you how to purchase a 15 serving canister of shake. You're gonna wanna buy vanilla for this particular workshop. This is strawberry. And then it's going to give you a grocery list. It's going to give you the recipes. And if you want labels that you can print, or you can just write the names of the smoothies with a marker on sandwich bags, and you'll need to have your own sandwich bags. And then if you send your confirmed purchase to me, I will send you an email with all the steps on how to put together the smoothies, and you're gonna do 14 of your own smoothies. So you'll have to buy the groceries, put protein powder in bags, but then you'll bag it all up, and you'll do like an hour or 2 of prep. I think about an hour, I don't think it'll take that long. And then stick it into the freezer, and then you can pull those out, dump them in the blender, and blend. So I thought this would be a fun opportunity to record some of these videos and possibly help you out if you're one of those people that is like, I need something a little bit healthier to eat, or even something that you could mix up as a snack. I know sometimes I like to make a chocolate banana smoothie in the evening to satisfy my sweet craving. So if you're interested, please fill out the form below, and you'll just get that first initial email on how to order and with those first initial resources. But then if you want all the videos and all the explanations, you'll have to forward me your purchase receipt. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that you are all safe and healthy.